The best postures for meditation. There are many positions we can meditate in: sitting, standing, walking, and lying down. Here are a few of them. Sitting positions. Sitting on the floor is recommended because it is very stable. A very effective posture has been the pyramid structure of the seated Buddha. We can use a zafu, a small pillow, to raise the buttocks just a little so that the knees can touch the ground. With your bottom on the pillow and two knees touching the ground, you form a stable tripod base. If you are on a hard floor, placing your cushion on a zabuton, a square padded mat, or blankets is recommended. Burmese style. The legs are crossed and the tops or sides of both feet rest on the floor. The knees should ideally also rest on the floor. Depending on your flexibility, it may take a bit of practice for the muscles to stretch and the knees to begin to drop. A cushion under the knees can help. Zafu. Sit on the front third of the zafu, if round, which helps keep your back upright. Imagine the top of your head being pulled upward towards the ceiling, which straightens your spine. Then just let the muscles go soft and relax. There should be a slight curve in the lower region of the back. In this position, it takes very little effort to keep the body upright. Half lotus. The left foot is placed up onto the right thigh and the right leg is tucked under. This position is slightly asymmetrical and sometimes the upper body needs to compensate in order to keep itself absolutely straight. If you sit for more than 30 minutes a day, we recommend that you alternate the leg that goes on top. Full lotus. The most stable of all the positions is the full lotus, where each foot is placed up on the opposite thigh. This is symmetrical and very solid, but only if you can be relaxed in it. Unless it's easy for you, one can easily injure their knees trying to force it. Chair. It's easier to stay upright and alert on a chair if you sit closer to the front edge and hold your spine up instead of leaning against the chair back. If you sit with your pelvis against the back of the chair, you can use a cushion behind you to help keep your back straight. The hips should be slightly higher than the knees. This keeps you from slouching. General guidance. Wear loose clothing. Loosen your belt if necessary. Your material should not gather behind the knees when you cross the legs, inhibiting circulation. The mouth is kept closed. Unless you have some kind of nasal blockage, breathe through your nose. For more interesting videos, subscribe to Speaking Tree YouTube channel.